All right, good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
I don't have to get the electronic amplification. I like this room, I don't have to speak very loudly. I'm Jim Coleman, I'm head of electrical engineering department, and I'm here to welcome you to this afternoon session. I have basically just a few minutes, a few short things to tell you, and really the most important one, the first one, is to thank the judges that have come to join us today. Who are the judges? Okay, let's give them a round of applause. I certainly recognize the value of your time and the beauty of your expertise, and the fact that you're willing to spend some hours with us today and meet with, interrogate, rough up these students is really a valuable thing and an important part of this process. So thank you for coming here today for that. Well, a few words to say to the students. So first of all, you made it through design, almost. You're that close. These classes are often referred to as capstone design classes. And the reason is this is your chance to take what you've spent 4 years learning, put it together, and solve some problem, and figure out that that's really what our superpower is. Engineer superpower is that we got skills. We can solve problems. You'll turn into an engineer and you won't even know it. You'll do it when you're raising your children. You'll do it when you're working on the car or your home. You'll do it at work. You'll do it all the time automatically, because that's what we do. We figure out what the problems are, define the boundary conditions, and find a cool solution for the problem. You've been learning that. You've done that, and from the looked at the posters and things, you obviously have done it very successfully. Now you take away the fact that you've learned what we asked you to learn. You've done the hard work we've asked you to do, and now you put it all together to do something cool and different that you can say you made. So I'd like to congratulate you, and you ought to give each other a round. Last thing I want to say is just a few words of thank you to Marco Taka and Rosarita, who escaped. Please, sometime today, a round of applause would be nice, but it's not enough. Please, sometime today, go up and just say thank you. These two folks have done an extraordinary amount of work in the background, starting last summer to prepare, all through the semester, and especially in the last few days or weeks. So please thank them. It's their job, but they're doing this at a much higher level than a job. It's clearly a passion for them. So please do me a favor. I thank them as often as I can, but please, it will be a good thing if you do. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Marco and let you begin. And again, judges, thank you. Students, well done.
All right, so thank you, Jim. First, announcements. So there is a judging scoring based on expert judges. We are going to try something different this semester, where there is a popular judging key, and this works with in an online system based on your phone. So what you need to do, you need to send a text to the number there, 844-478-5736, that says UTDesign-Track, and then you will be registered and you will be able to score all the projects. So we will have we are becoming like American Idol with the judges' scores and the popular vote. So we want to try that option as well and see how it works. So if you want to score all the projects, go ahead and register. I'll have some reminders out there as well in December. So that's first thing. Second thing, as you guys know, is 3 minutes presentation time, plus 2 minutes questions and answers. So we want to try to stay as much as possible on time. So you guys know the order. So once it's your next team, before it's your turn, please be ready on the side so that you can come in as soon as possible and we minimize transition time. Right, so having said that, I think we are ready to start with the first team to present.